In this video, I'll share how I diagnosed and fixed an issue where the COT engine wouldn't start due to a faulty Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The customer brought in their vehicle with the complaint, so I started by confirming the problem. Sure enough, the engine wouldn't crank or start, and I began the diagnostic process. The first step was to connect a scan tool to retrieve any trouble codes, but I noticed that the PCM wasn't responding. This was a clear sign that there might be an issue with the module itself or its power supply. Next, I inspected the PCM fuse to ensure it wasn't blown or damaged. The fuse was in good condition, so I moved on to inspecting the PCM wiring harness for any visible issues like broken wires, loose connections, or corrosion. Everything appeared fine during the visual inspection. To dig deeper, I disconnected the PCM harness connector and closely inspected the connector and its terminals. There were no signs of damage or corrosion, which ruled out any physical faults in the connection. Using a multimeter, I tested for the presence of voltage and ground at the PCM. Both were within the specified range, confirming that the module was receiving power. To ensure there weren't any hidden issues, I also checked for shorts in the PCM wiring harness with the harness connector still disconnected. The multimeter showed no shorts or open circuits, which further narrowed the issue down to the PCM itself. At this point, the results of all these tests indicated that the Powertrain Control Module was faulty and needed to be replaced. To fix the issue, I replaced the PCM with a new one. After installation, I programmed the new module to the vehicle, cleared any codes, and tested the system. The engine started immediately, and the vehicle operated as it should. The customer's concern did not return. This case shows the importance of systematically testing each part of the system when dealing with complex issues like a no-start condition. By verifying the power supply, wiring, and module functionality step by step, I was able to pinpoint the fault without replacing unnecessary parts. If you're troubleshooting a similar issue, I hope this video helps guide you through the process.